Welcome to ABCD. Today, we'll be solving another math question. The figure below is drawn with a rectangle of base 3 cm by 6 cm. So this tells us that 3 cm by 6 cm. Its outline consists of a rectangle, a large semicircle, two identical medium quarter circles, one medium semicircle, and one small circle with a diameter of 3 cm. So what is the parameter of the figure and what is its area? Okay, so the first thing they tell us, right, is that rectangle is 3 by 6. Take note, so that's the first point they tell us. Okay, but that's not what we are going to highlight. Let's put this a bit bigger. Okay, so what are we going to do? So 1, we got a big semicircle. 2, we got a rectangle. 3, we got 2 medium quarter circles and 1 medium semicircle. So this three, right, the 3, right, they all have the same radius and diameter. So this circles has the same size. Okay, then this is number 4. 4, they tell us that the diameter is 3 cm. Okay, so we are going to start. Okay, for the parameter, if you realize this figure, right, is like that: a circle, a semicircle, a quarter circle, and a semicircle. Correct? Yeah. So this is the diagram. So we just need to calculate everything except the square, except the rectangle. Get it? So just in case you're wondering why I don't need the rectangle here, because it's enclosed. Okay, so 1. Okay, since we know that the rectangle, right, is 3 by 6, we know that this part is 6. This part is 3 and 3. So this part will be 3, this part also be 3. Okay, why? Because this part will have a diameter of 3, will have a radius of 3, this part also have a radius of 3. Where this part will have a diameter of 6, which is also equivalent to a diameter of 3. So if we add all this together, we know that the total length will be 3 plus 6 plus 3, which is 12. Therefore, the large semicircle will have a diameter of 12. Yeah. Okay? So for the first part, this is A. For the first part, the diameter will actually be half pi d. D will be 12. Remember just now we calculate 12. So this will give us 6 pi. Okay, then for part 2, we have, okay, so if I have one semicircle, one quarter circle, another quarter circle, what do I form? I form a circle, because the circle can be formed by 4 quarter circle or 1 semicircle with 2 quarter. So with this, we know that there is 1 complete circle in the diameter, because you see, this is the top one, this is the left one, oops. This is the left one, this is the right one. So yeah, so it's like that. Okay? Just in case you're wondering why I'm doing shortcuts here, because they somehow just coincide. So I just need to do pi d, d will be 6. Remember, the rectangle is 3 by 6. So this will give me 6 pi. Then number 3 ignore, because remember just now, we already do the parameter tracing. So yeah, we don't need the square. We don't need the rectangle. So for number 4, it will be pi d, which is 3. And this will give me 3 pi. So 1 plus 2 plus 4 will be equals to 6 pi plus 6 pi plus 3 pi, and this will give us 15 pi's. Okay? For part B. Okay, so repeating what we do just now, but we change it to the arrow. Okay, this will be half pi r square. Diameter is 12, so radius is 6. Okay, so this will give us 18 pi. Half pi r square. Diameter is 6, so radius is 3. This will give us 9 pi. This is a rectangle of 3 by 6, so this will give us 18. Pi r square, r will be 3 divided by 2, and this will give us 2.25 pi. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 will be equals to 18 pi plus 9 pi plus 18 plus 2.25 pi. Okay, this one will give us 29.25 pi plus 18. Okay, so this is the answer for part 1, and this is the answer for part 2. Similarly to the previous questions, we have left everything in pi, so if you need, do remember to convert. And usually it's 2 to 3 decimal points. Okay? That's it for this episode. We hope that you have learned something new. The link to the worksheets are available in the description below. See ya!